Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 4.8-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet is a great value with less than 33,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.